This is a RHEL 8.5 server, and in this video we will learn about the kernel and the setting using which Linux OS decides how many number of kernels it will install and retain with it. So what is a kernel? Kernel is a core software that acts as an interface between the Linux operating system and the hardware. Let me repeat it again. Linux kernel is a core software that acts as a interface between the Linux operating system and the hardware. And is it required to store multiple kernels in the server? Yes, it is required to store multiple kernels inside the server, because when there is a single kernel installed in the server and we patch the OS, after patching there may be chance of the corruption of the kernel, and when the kernel is corrupted and we reboot the server, server will not come up and it will give us the error, kernel panic error. To recover the server from kernel panic error, I have already uploaded a video. Please watch the video, link I have given in the description section, so that you will get an idea how to recover the server from the kernel panic error. Now we will discuss what is the setting using which Linux OS decides how many number of kernels it will install with it. So friends, before starting this video, let me tell you, I am going to start a RHCSA batch very soon, and the course fees is very minimum, that is 499 rupees only. In this batch you are going to attend 20 classes and each class duration is 1 hour and 30 minutes, and you will also get all session recordings and PDF materials. The registration link I have given in the description section. Let us come back to the topic. So there is a configuration file that is called yum.conf, and the configuration file located in /etc yum.conf. So using cat command, we can read the contents of the configuration file. You can see install only underscore limit is equal to 3. So this is the parameter using which Linux operating system decides how many number of kernels the OS will install and retain with it. Here it is written that install only underscore limit is equal to 3. That means in this operating system maximum number of kernel will install, that is 3. So now how you can check how many number of kernels installed in my server? There is two way we can check. One is, you can see this is the boot screen. Here it is showing the number of kernels installed in the server. Here you can see only one kernel is showing in the server. Only one kernel installed in my server. There is also a command using which we can check. This is the command grubby ---- info is equal to all pipe grep title. You can see there is only one kernel installed in my server, but the setting is install only underscore limit is equal to 3. That means in this server the maximum number of kernel the OS store is 3. If we change it to 2, then it will store maximum 2 number of kernels. If we will change it to 4, then it will store 4 number of kernels. So sometimes whenever we will increase the number of kernels to store, at that time it will consume more space in the boot partition. If we will check using df-th, there is a boot partition and the multiple number of kernels will consume the space from the /boot partition, and when it will consume maximum number of space or the 100% space if it will utilize from the boot partition, at that time we cannot install more kernels or more packages in the server. At that time we need to remove the older kernels. So to remove older kernels, there is a step, there is a command we have to use to remove the older kernels. For that I have already uploaded a video related to remove the older kernels. That link also I have given in the description section. Please watch that video. So friends, this is the way we can check the maximum number of kernel that is defined in the configuration that will follow by the Linux operating system to store multiple number of kernels. This is the setting etc yum.conf, and the setting is, and the parameter is install only underscore limit is equal to 3. So friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.